Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, today we're going to have a look at the DeWalt DCS 571. Now, this is a 4.5-inch compact brushless circular saw. Now, this is a handy little thing, I'll tell you what. Now, this is brand new. I've had one before, and I wore it out, and this is a new one. So, I'm going to show you how it works, and then we'll go from there. Now, let's get into this table. Now, this table is adjustable two ways. Okay, so you can go up and down, and then you can go a 90 or a 45 right there. Okay, so you can turn that whichever way you want. Right now, pretty stiff, I'll tell you what, because it's so new. But yeah, so that's all good right there. We'll leave that on straight. We'll leave the table up. Actually, we're going to leave the table down so we can change the blade. Now, right there is your blade lock. Okay, so you push that when you want to put the blade on. Let's do that right now. Okay, now your guard here, you can push up and down like that, and the brake will be just fine. Okay, all right, this is your safety right here, and on both sides you've got left and right. Okay, you've got a double trigger, so you can actually hold on to it like that, and then you've got a super little belt loop here, or a pocket loop, and obviously that's where your battery goes into. Nice grip right here. It's all you know, kind of non-slip grip. It's awesome. Got a nice handle on the top like this you can hold on to, right? So you can get going like that. But well, you're gonna need it, I'll tell you what. That thing's got a lot of power when you got a bigger battery in it. Okay, now this here comes with this particular model came with a bag attachment. Now, it didn't come with a bag, but it come with attachment, and I don't know why, but that just slips on there. So if you got a bag, you can put that bag on there, and then you got things flying out that way into the bag, or whichever way you want. Okay, we're going to take that off right now. You've got a nice guide that comes with it. Okay, so that guide slides into here just like that. Okay, so you got two slots, one here and one here, and then you can tighten it down with 3/16 Allen wrench there to whatever length you want, and then that slides along whatever you want to cut, right? So yeah, that's a super good deal right there. Okay, now when you put the blade on, we're going to put this down here like this. We'll put the table down like that, and then now it comes with a spacer, which you need to put on now, and that slides on there like that. Okay, and then it comes with another spacer after you put the blade on. Now you got to make sure the blade's going the right way. So what I do, if I don't know the machine, is I put a battery in it and I see which way that shaft is turning. So it's turning this way. Okay, so now we want the rotation to go this way. Okay, so we'll lift that up. We should be pulling the battery out right now, which I'm going to do just in case. All right, there we go. Then we're going to put this lock on, and then we're going to tighten this down counterclockwise. Okay. Okay, so let's see that. Now you push this again, and it'll lock. There we go. Now it's locked. Okay, we're going to put this down, this table down. I'm just going to leave that stuff there like that. Now I'll put the battery back on, and you can get her going. And there she is. I'll tell you what, this thing's really, really handy. And yeah, we'll pull that battery out again, drop your table down like that, and then you can pull that blade off and do everything backwards that you just did. Okay, but I tell you what, awesome little machine. I recommend get one. All right, that's my review. Thanks for coming. Hey y'all, there's a link in the description if you want one, and you can check out my playlist if there's more reviews or more products that you need, and I may have reviews on it. Check them out. All right, thanks.